Hello everyone and welcome to module 6 of our training. In our previous class we discussed about video creation where I made example of how to create video using Meta AI, using Gemini VO3 and also using Grok AI. And today we are going to dip into how to create a simple portfolio website using some of the AI we mentioned in our first module. Now, in this lesson, we are going to first use Claude as our first AI to design our portfolio website. For you to get the Claude app, just kindly go to your Play Store, App Store, and you type on Claude, then you get this app downloaded. Once you download it, you click on continue with Google, or you enter your email. I prefer logging in with Google Gmail. So I'll click on continue with Google. Now, after successful login, you use the interface you are going to see in Claude. Then you can see from up it is written Sonnet 4.5. This is the most upgraded version of Claude, and that's what we are going to use. For the free version, it has some limitations. So if you want a full features, then you need to upgrade, which you have to pay. But with what we are going to do with creating a portfolio website, the free version is very enough for us to do that. So before we type in our description of our portfolio website, let's go to ChatGPT for us to have our prompts that we're going to use to generate our portfolio website. Before I go into generating the prompt, let's know what exactly is a portfolio website. For example, now you have a business that you are running and you need a website, or you are a professional coach on certain activities and you need a profile that will showcase you publicly. So portfolio simply means it's a website that will tell us more about you, tells what you do, how you do it, and where you did it, and how you do it. That is all about portfolio website. It tells more about what you have done, your experience, and your experts in certain field. Now let's go to ChatGPT to create our prompts for our portfolio website. I'm currently on ChatGPT now. So I'm going to say ChatGPT writes me that I'll first of all describe myself, then ask it to generate a prompt for me to create a portfolio website. All right, now let's search. This is the prompt I write in ChatGPT for it to generate a more precise prompt for us. I said, I'm Abdullah Itraki, the CEO of Oscar Tech Institute, expert in data analysis, AI model automation, web development, graphic design, and digital facilitator or coach. My contact details are dash blah blah blah. My classes are blah 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 blah. So you should use the above information to create me prompts to build a portfolio website. Add my picture and let it optimize my prompts for best result. I told you, whenever you're asking ChatGPT to write your prompt, don't forget to write this phrase: optimize my prompt for best result. Now let's click on send. All right, this is our prompts that we have from ChatGPT. So what we already do, we are going to click on this prompt and copy it, or then we now paste it into our Claude. All right, this is where our prompts end. Then we're now going back to a Claude, paste in this prompt. You can just save this prompt in your notebook or where you write your notes. So in case we are using another AI to make the same portfolio. Now let's paste this into our Claude. Now we'll click on send. Now you can see it's creating our website. You can see the workflow here. This is our HTML codes. You see generating. While it's done generating, we now see how it looks like. It's generating the HTML, then it will go to CSS, and then go to our JavaScript for us to have a full functioning portfolio website. You can see this is a perfect website. It has generated for us now. You can see it has used A Square Tech as logo. Then this is just an intro about me. You guys can see that it also has a contact for enroll for training, and this contacts me page. Then where you are seeing this cycle is where my picture is supposed to fit in, which I have to upload it for us to be able to see it. I also walk you around how we're going to do that later. Then this about me, you can see here. You can see. Then this is what is saying that we have trained more than 1,000 plus students on social programs. You can see here, and this is the skills and expertise. So you can see everything I wrote there is here, and these are the training and classes. See AI Masterclass, and from here you can just enroll in any class from this my portfolio website. So you guys can see this exactly how you can get your own portfolio website without knowing how to code. There's zero knowledge on coding. All you need to do is to give it a very good prompt, and you can still make changes. If what you are seeing is not okay for you, you can still make changes. If we are good with this, all we need to do is to click on this share. Then you can just click on the share the link with anyone I need to go live, or probably just copy the code here. You click on the code. This is the code. You can also write. Then you can just click on the code to copy the whole code. Select all the code and we copy it and go to our code. For those people that are a little bit not in on coding, go to our code, development environment,
high converting features,
go to code development environment, like a code. Here, click on new file, give it a name. My portfolio. Click on OK, and you paste in the code like this, and you click on save. Alright, that's that about that. In our next class, we are going to discuss how are you going to deploy this site online, and we're also going to test some AI models where we're going to use the same prompts to know the differences we are going to have. Thank you, and do have a wonderful day.